natural gas. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week in the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We remain in slightly negative MACD, seeing signs of a diverge. With the 4-hour chart, we are in negative MACD territory. We're still resting right along the 200 moving average, this green line, at a price of $8.26. And as with the daily chart, we are in positive MACD. And as with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG. My trade position size for is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $27.78, and that is its range here. My sell target is at $30.80. My stop loss is at $26.78. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $31.66, and that is this range there. My sell target for is at $28.86, and my stop loss is at $32.57. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day, or wicket trading, natural gas has a 56% chance to climb between 0 to 7%. To the downside, has a 33% chance to fall between 0 to negative 7%. An 11% chance to fall between negative 7 to negative 13%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.